about time.
What minor flooding is forecast? Where? East Branch Brandywine Creek below Downingtown.
East Branch Brandywine.
From this evening
Downingtown
to late
and shit.
impacts at 6.0 feet over adjacent land next to the creek floods.
6.600 flood warning. Okay, I thought it would say that. I thought it would just say flood.
On the Brandywine sent back water up Beaver Creek. Beaver Creek floods inundating parks and the Downingtown Little League fields.
How is this been
Additional
unplugged?
details at 7:45 p.m. Thursday. The stage was 6.8 feet. Forecast:
Oh,
the
shit,
river
it's
is expected to rise above flood stage this evening and crest at 8.9 feet.
Oh, that's fine.
Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 9.2 feet on October 23rd, 2003. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Yep.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey. Small craft advisory in effect through Friday afternoon.
Oh, is it you?
Winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up.
I don't know. Finally an alert though. Damn, okay. Bro, I was hearing that 74 it was like I'm like, holy frick, it's actually crazy. This thing is like this. I love this radio.
Additional details at 9:30 p.m. Thursday. The stage was 11.7 feet. Forecast.
I just got into bed too. Like I'm ready to go to sleep, and then I'm ready to go to sleep, and then I see this. Editing tomorrow. That's fun, isn't it? You expect to see this around 4 p.m. Flood. I gotta get out of bed now.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey. Small craft advisory in effect through Friday afternoon. Overnight, south winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to...
I gotta get out of bed.
In northern New Jersey, Hunter and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. When? Until 12:15 a.m. Impacts minor...
Good to see that they all went off somehow. Well, I have you in alert mode. Can you just not get it?
Minor flooding continued across portions of...
No idea why you're not going off. You got issues. But, yeah, so everybody went off. Besides you, because you're shit. But, I've never had to call out radio shit before. But, my phone's at, like, 21%, so might have charged it soon. But, probably not gonna be anything else, so whatever.
What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Neshaminy Creek at Langhorne. When? Until tomorrow afternoon. Details at 7:30 p.m.
Oh, I gotta get up again.
7.2 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise.
How many of these are they pushing out?
To a crest of 10.7 feet just after midnight tonight. It will wait far below flood stage late tomorrow.
Come on, Touch ID, work.
Flood stage is
Fucking
9.0 feet.
no passcode for you idiots.
Crest compares to a previous crest of 10.7 feet on September 7th, 2011.
Damn.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Oh, Neshaminy Creek. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense now.
What Friday.
All y'all somehow went off again. Yeah, you have like no memory, so whatever. All y'all went off again. No sleep, baby, no sleep.
Flood warning in effect from Friday morning to tomorrow afternoon.
I swear.
Is forecast. Where? Bushkill at Shoemakers. When? From Friday morning to tomorrow.
Nah, that won't go over KX28.
Impacts at 6.0 feet. Route 209 in the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area floods.
The frick is that?
7.0 feet. Creek Road near Route 209 in Bushkill.
Oh, I'm not gonna sleep. It's been 5 minutes.
Is closed.
I just wanna watch some YouTube shorts.
Thursday, the stage was 5.0
Bushkill at shoot.
morning and crest at 6.1 feet.
Kids, this is why you know your time limit passcode.
Flood stage
Where is it?
flood history. This crest compares
Oh, it's from Monroe and Pike. Yeah, that makes sense.
on December 25th.
Oh.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
No sleep. That's the title of this video. No sleep. 'Cause it's true.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the southern Poconos, flood watch in effect until 2 a.m. Friday. Overnight, showers with a chance of
Did all of you go
thunderstorms.
off again?
Some showers likely. Some produce heavy.
This guy's killing it. He's going 3 for 3 tonight. And he went off for the flood watches too. He's 5 for 5 on the day. Good job, 100. That's like a new record or something. Congratulations, you get the I'm Not Shit award. I'm Not Shit Anymore award. WR400 in the closet. Oh.
Warning in effect from late tonight to Sunday afternoon. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? The Klamath River below McCubbin Dam.
Frick is that?
Late tonight to Sunday afternoon. Impacts at 5.5 feet. Road closures begin in both Butler and Bloomingdale due to flooding. At 6.5 feet, both main streets in Butler and Bloomingdale flood. Several
Window.
are also flooded. The Hamburg
Kind of happy that y'all aren't going off because there's more of you than there is them. But 2 of you are loud as hell.
additional details.
Sanjin, Sound Guard.
The stage was 5.5 feet. Forecast. The river will rise above stage tonight.
Gotta get up again. I freaking hate my life.
Flood stage is 5.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of
10:58
on
p.m.
April 2005. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
You're 6 for 6, yes sir.
What? Flooding caused
You're
by
still somehow
excessive
going
rainfall
off.
continues.
And well, you're just good. So well, whatever you say when you burp. Excuse me, I guess. Whatever. I don't know. I forget. I'm not tired. Or I'm just that dumb. I don't know. I'm not a good common senser. But this won't end ever. So no sleep. Flood edition. Boom.
Flood warning in effect from Friday morning to late Saturday morning. What minor flooding is forecast?
Hey, Dad, where's the shotgun?
Below RESVR. When? From Friday morning to late Saturday morning. Impacts at 6.0 feet.
Oh, nothing. I just want to go hunt some deer in the backyard.
Road heading into Parsippany is subject to closures. Additional details.
Hunt some deer.
The stage was 4.4 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning.
POV, you're me right now.
Early tomorrow afternoon. Will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 4 feet on March 25th, 1969.
69. I like this alert now.
Flood warning in effect until
7 for 7.
What? Minor flooding is forecast.
Oh, and my life. Why? Oh no. Here comes the trio. They issued 3 of these. This is gonna be bad. Why am I just facing here the whole time? These guys went off too.
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 8.7 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 8.6 feet on August 23rd, 2021. http://www.weather.gov/
Did I get an alert from that guy?
safety/flood.
Yes! Oh! Oh man. Okay, that was close as hell.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Where portions of northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following counties in northern
No sleep.
5 feet. Both main streets in Butler and Bloomingdale flood. Several commercial properties are also
8 for 8, baby.
The Hamburg Turnpike experiences significant
You
flooding.
too. You got a little Montco face reveal on that one. I mean, most of you already know what I look like, so whatever. Who cares? Doesn't matter what I look like. It matters what the radios look like.